हेलो एवरीवन। तो आज ये एमसीक्यूज़ मैंने बनाए हैं डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस एक्ट 2005 के ऊपर, और ये यूज़फुल है आरजेएस, डीजेएस, यूपी, यूपीपी, सीएसजी, एमपीसीजी, प्रोटेक्शन ऑफिसर और अदर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स जो भी है उनके लिए। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट इज शॉर्ट टाइटल ऑफ द डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस एक्ट? Option A, Domestic Violence Act 2005. Option B, the Protection of Women from Violence Act 2005. Option C, the Protection from Domestic Violence Act 2005. Option D, the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005. तो आंसर D is the right answer, the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005. Question number 2, which section defines act of domestic violence? Option A 4, option B 3, option C 5, option D nota. So option B 3 is the right answer. Question number 3, how many sections are there in the act? Option A 35, option B 33, option C 37, option D nota. So answer है इसका option C 37 is the right answer. Question number 4, under which section protection order can be passed under this act? So option A 17, option B 18, option C 19, option D nota. So answer है इसका option B 18 is the right answer. Question number 5, under which section residence order can be passed under this act? Option A 17, option B 18, option C 19, option D nota. So answer C, option C 19 is the right answer. Next question, question number 6, under which section monetary relief can be granted under this act? Option A 17, option B 20, option C 19, option D nota. So answer है इसका option B 20 is the right answer. Question number 7, which section provides for penalty for breach of protection order by respondent? Option A 31, option B 32, option C 33, option D nota. So इसका right answer है option A 31 is the right answer. Question number 8, the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005 came into force on option A 26/10/2006, option B 27/10/2006, option C 17/10/2006 and option D is nota. So answer है इसका option A 26/10/2006 is the right answer. Question number 9, objective of this act is to provide for more effective protection of the rights of women guaranteed under the Constitution who are victims of violence of any kind occurring within the family and for matters connected therewith or incidental thereto. Above statement is option A false, option B true, option C partly true, option D nota. So answer है इसका option B true is the right answer. Question number 10, child means any person below the age of dash years and includes any adopted step or foster child. So option A 21, option B 16, option C 18, option D nota. So answer is option C 18 is the right answer. Question number 11, domestic relationship means a relationship between two persons who live or have at any point of time lived together in a shared household when they are related by consanguinity, marriage, or through a relationship in the nature of marriage, adoption, or are family members living together as a joint family. So above statement is A false, B true, C partly true, D nota. So इसका right answer है option B true. Question number 12, does definition of domestic relationship in section 2 subsection F recognize live-in relationship for the purpose of this act? Option A no, option B can't be said, option C yes, option D nota. So option C yes is the right answer. Question number 13, dowry shall have the same meaning as assigned to it in section 2 of the option A Hindu Marriage Act 1955, option B Indian Penal Code 1860, option C Dowry Prohibition Act 1961, option D nota. So answer C Dowry Prohibition Act 1961 is the right answer. Question number 14, which section defines respondent? Option A 2 subsection Q, option B 2 subsection P, option C 2 subsection D or option D nota. So answer है इसका option A 2 subsection Q. Question number 15, magistrate means the judicial magistrate of the first class or as a case may be the exercising jurisdiction under the code of criminal procedure. Magistrate कौन होता है? A executive magistrate, B district magistrate, C metropolitan magistrate, D nota. So answer C है metropolitan magistrate. Question number 16, which section defines shared household? Shared household कौन सा section define करता है? Option A to subsection Q, option B to subsection P, option C to subsection S और option D nota. So इसका answer है option C to subsection S is the right answer. Now question number 17. Which abuse is not provided in explanation 1 to section 3? A. Physical. B. Mental. C. Sexual. D. Economic. So answer B. Mental is the right answer. Question number 18. Under section 4, who may give information about domestic violence to protection officer? कौन information दे सकता है information regarding domestic violence to protection officer को? So option B है, A है only the victim and her relatives. Option B only police officer. Option C any person who has reason to believe that an act of domestic violence has been or is being or is likely to be committed. और option D nota. So आंसर इसका है ऑप्शन सी एनी पर्सन हु हैज़ रीजन टू बिलीव दैट एन एक्ट ऑफ डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस हैज़ बीन और इज लाइकली टू बी कमिटेड. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 19. Who shall appoint protection officers under section 8 of this act? A. Central government. B. Central and state government. C. State government. D. nota. So इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी स्टेट गवर्नमेंट. Question number 20. How many reliefs can be sought under section 12 of this act? A. 1. B. 2. C. 1 or more. D. nota. So option C 1 or more is the right answer. Now question number 21. Section 12 of this act, before passing any order on such application, the magistrate shall take into consideration any domestic incident report received by him from the A. protection officer or the service provider. B. protection officer and the service provider. C. protection officer. D. nota. Option A protection officer or the service provider is the right answer. Now question number 22. Section 12 of this act, who may present an application to the magistrate seeking one or more reliefs under this act? A. an aggrieved person. B. a protection officer. C. any other person on behalf of the aggrieved person. Option D all of the above. So option D all of the above is the right answer. Now question number 23. Where the magistrate has issued any direction under subsection 1 of section 14, counselling, he shall fix the next date of hearing of the case within a period not exceeding option A 1 month, option B 3 months, option C 6 months, option D 2 months. So option D 2 months is the right answer. Now question number 24. A notice of the date of hearing fixed under section 12 shall be given by the magistrate to the protection officer, who shall get it served by such means as may be prescribed on the respondent and on any other person as directed by the magistrate within a maximum period of dash or such further reasonable time as may be allowed by the magistrate from the date of its receipt. So option A 5 days, option B 2 days, option C 24 hours, option D nota. So option B 2 days is the right answer. Now question number 25. If the magistrate considers that the circumstances of the case so warrant and if either party to the proceedings so desires, he may conduct the proceedings under this act in camera. Above statement is option A true, option B false, option C partly true, option D nota. So option A true is the right answer. Question number 26. The magistrate may, after giving the aggrieved person and the respondent an opportunity of being heard and on being dash satisfied that domestic violence has taken place or is likely to take place, pass a protection order in favor of the aggrieved person. So option A substantively, B conclusively, C prima facie, D nota. So answer C prima facie is the right answer. Question number 27. The monetary relief granted under this section shall be dash and consistent with the standard of living to which the aggrieved person is accustomed. Option A adequate, fair and reasonable. Option B half of the income of husband. Option C sufficient. Option D nota. So option A adequate, fair and reasonable is the right answer. Now move on to question number 28. At which stage order for temporary custody of child may be granted under this act? Option A after conclusion of hearing, option B at any stage of hearing of the application for protection order or for any other relief under this act, option C before commencement of trial, option D nota. So option B at any stage of hearing of the application for protection order or for any other relief under this act is the right answer. Now question number 29. Which order is not provided under this act? Option A protection order, option B residence order, option C custody order, option D employment order. So option D employment order is the right answer. Now question number 30. A protection order made under section 18 shall be enforced till Option A, application for discharge by protection officer. Option B, aggrieved person remarries. Option C, money is paid. Option D, the aggrieved person applies for discharge. So option D, the aggrieved person applies for discharge is the right answer. Now question number 31, duration and alteration of orders is provided in section option A 25, option B 31, option C 32, option D 27. So option A 25 is the right answer. Question number 32. The Court of Judicial Magistrate of the First Class or the Metropolitan Magistrate shall be the competent court to grant a protection order and other orders under this Act and to try offences under this Act as the case may be within the local limits of which option A, the person aggrieved permanently or temporarily resides or carries on business or is employed. Option B, the respondent resides or carries on business or is employed. Option C, the cause of action has arisen. Option D, all of the above. So option D, all of the above is the right answer. Now question number 33, there shall lie an appeal to the dash within 30 days from the date on which the order made by the magistrate is served on the aggrieved person on the or the respondent, as the case may be, whichever is later. So option A, Court of Session. Option B, High Court. Option C, Chief Judicial Magistrate. Option D, all of the above. So option A, Court of Session is the right answer. Now question number 34. A breach of protection order or of an interim protection order by the respondent shall be an offence under this Act and shall be punishable with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 1 year or with fine which may extend to dash or with both. So option A, 1 lakh rupees. Option B, 5,000 rupees. Option C, 10,000 rupees. Option D, 20,000 rupees. So option D, 20,000 rupees is the right answer. Now move on to question number 35. Notwithstanding anything contained in the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, the offence under subsection 1 of section 31 shall be dash. So option A, cognizable and non-bailable. Option B, cognizable and bailable. Option C, non-cognizable and non-bailable. Option D, non-cognizable and bailable. So option A, cognizable and non-bailable is the right answer. Question number 36. The provisions of this Act shall be in addition to and not in derogation of the provisions of any other law for the time being in force. So above statement is option A correct, option B incorrect, option C partly correct, option D nota. So option A correct is the right answer. Question number 37. Which section provides for penalty for not discharging duty by protection officer? Option A 31, option B 32, option C 33, option D 34. Option C 33 is the right answer. So question number 38. No prosecution or other legal proceeding shall lie against the protection officer unless a complaint is filed with the previous sanction of the dash or an officer authorized by it in this behalf. So option A, state government. Option B, central government. Option C, central and state government. Option D, no sanction is required. So option A, state government is the right answer. Now question number 39. Upon the sole testimony of the aggrieved person, the court may conclude that an offence under subsection 1 of section 31 has been committed by the accused. Above statement is option A partly correct, option B incorrect, option C correct, option D nota. So option C correct is the right answer. Now question number 40. Which section provides for appeal under this Act? Option A 26, option B 27, option C 28, option D 29. So option D 29 is the right answer. Now so yeah, ये आप 40 क्वेश्चन तक थे MCQs. थैंक यू.